So many colors. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Blue color, light pink color, dark pink color, yellow color, light green color, dark green color, and the next one is red color, sky blue color, black color. Kids, the next one is Persian blue color, silver color. Stay with us. The next one is white color, brown color. Now we open the color of orange. Yes, the last one is orange. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The next one is H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. The next one is V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Stay with us. So kids, first we're using the color of blue, and now we're writing the alphabet of A, B, C, D, E. The next one is F. The next one is G. G for God. The next one is H. Light green color. H for hand. I, J, K, L, M, and the next one is N for nose and for nest. Now you draw O, P, Q for queen. The next one is R, S, T for tiger, U for umbrella. Now using the color of sky blue color. V. The next one is W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.